I've been making YouTube thumbnails for 10 years now, but I promise you've never seen a workflow this easy. For this method, we're going to be using Google's Nano Banana Pro. Alright, let's go ahead and open up Google Flow. We're going to draw a sketch as the starting point for our thumbnail. For example, you draw a sketch like this, upload it, and Nano Banana will use that sketch to generate a thumbnail for us. In today's video, we're going to look at how to recreate a Mr. Beast thumbnail. First things first, we need a painting software. I'm using a free one called Fire Alpaca. But if you already have Photoshop, that works perfectly fine. Now let's open a new canvas, grab a brush, and start drawing from Shark. If you're following along with this tutorial, you don't need to be an artist. Drawing like me is good enough. Alright guys, we've drawn the sketch that we need. Let's go and save it in a folder. Now let's open Google Flow and upload our image right here. See how it processed and showed up in just a little bit? Now we're going to drag that image and drop it into the Add Ingredients section. After that, type in our prompt. I already have that prompt saved, so I'm just going to edit it a little. In the old prompt, I asked for a watercolor style, so I'm swapping that with a real-life photo instead. Now I'm going to add a little more detail to this prompt. This guy is holding a bamboo log in the ocean. After that, I'll select Nano Banana Pro, choose 2 images, and hit OK. So by using this workflow, we get to decide where our character should be, which side they're on, and where they're looking. From what I've seen, this gives a lot more accuracy compared to just text prompting. Alright guys, the image came back. But it's not really what we wanted. Since we said we wanted a selfie style shot in the prompt, Nano Banana went and gave a camera in his hand. That's not what we're going for. So let's see what the next image looks like. No, if you notice this image, it's actually got the selfie we wanted without a phone in his hand. But there's no expression like we were hoping for. Now let's add terrified man with shocking expression to the prompt. Making mistakes like this is super common, so giving detailed prompts is really important. Let me double check everything and hit OK. Okay, so our thumbnail is ready now. But the first image went ahead and put a phone in his hand even though we never asked for it. The second image came out pretty much exactly how we wanted. I'm almost happy with it. But there's a hand and a phone on the side that we never asked for. That's fine though, we can just edit that out. There's a marker on the left side. I'll grab that and mark over the hand and phone, then type remove the hand and phone in the prompt down below. Doing it this way keeps the rest of the image the same and only edits out that specific part. Look at this workflow. Back in the day I used to hunt down individual images one by one, merge them together. But nowadays making thumbnails has gotten so much easier. Okay guys, our thumbnail came out just the way we wanted. If you like this workflow, drop a comment down below. I'll be back with another video. And if you want that prompt, go check out bio.